Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're doing another video on how to pass inspection, but this video is gonna be specifically on how to pass inspection if you guys have a catalytic converter or O2 sensors that's throwing codes for those two specific things. Alright, so it's expensive. You guys know, if you guys are researching this, you guys know how expensive changing out the catalytic converter is. Also, on top of that, it could be expensive if particularly diagnosing this issue is not the most simplest thing to do, considering there are many things that could cause certain codes, certain emissions codes. It could be a vacuum leak, it could be a catalytic converter, it could be an O2 sensor, it could be a lot of things. And considering that your O2 sensor, probably the easiest part to change up, kind of depends. If you're a DIYer, you guys probably wouldn't know that sometimes if they're really rusted, they're really difficult. It's really difficult to get them off. As far as the catalytic converter is concerned, you know, it's kind of it's kind of you know, trying to figure out whether that's the issue that's causing the codes or not. It's you know, it could be time intensive, or you might be having to take a guess at whether the cat is the problem. But here's how you solve that situation. And this is a cheap way to go if you guys are in this situation where you guys just want to throw something at it to see if it works. And you know, it would be easy, cheap, inexpensive, and something that you could do without having to go in depth on trying to figure out what exact cause of that code is for your vehicle. So I'm going to tell you guys now, all right, for 25 bucks, there is a good chance, you guys could pass the inspection with a quote-unquote bad catalytic converter that you think is bad because the check engine light is on and it's throwing codes at you, or if you think it's an O2 sensor and you don't want to spend money on any of those two things, because even with the O2 sensor, I believe it's probably going to run you probably over $100 for the O2 sensor. Considering the O2 sensor on average probably costs around 40 to 100 to 150, as high as 150 at AutoZone, and the job itself to replace it is probably around 70 to 100. So if you guys don't want to do any of that stuff, here's an easy way to I guess here's an easy and cheap way to maybe get rid of that issue. All right, there is a product called CataClean. All right, there's a product called CataClean. It comes in a bottle, and all you have to do is have your gas tank at a quarter full. All right, at a quarter full, what you do is you pour that CataClean into the gas tank and then drive it until your car's gas tank is almost empty. And chances are that could clear whatever issues that's causing the code for the catalytic converter or the O2 sensor. Now, this product you guys can get essentially at Walmart. I know Walmart sells it for about $25. AutoZone sells it. Advanced Auto, you can get online, eBay, Amazon. That's the bottle right there. definitely, if you guys are in this situation and you guys want to start somewhere as far as trying to figure out how maybe there's a cheap way, maybe there's a cheaper way of fixing this problem, I would try like one bottle. If that doesn't work, I would try one bottle and then clear the check engine light and then drive it, see if that actually works. If it doesn't work and the check engine light comes back on with the same codes, definitely use another bottle and do the same thing again. You know, drive it around, try to clear the code, and hopefully for 24 to 50 bucks, and not a lot of time wasted, you could definitely do this yourself, and hopefully it fixes your issue, these codes that have popped up on your car. All right. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question or comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. All right, guys. Take care.